Oh my god! I got a voice. He spelled my name wrong. Oh my god! I can't believe this. Oh, here we go. I'm not gonna rip the paper. Oh god, my hands are shaking. Oh my god. I kind of want to save the paper. I don't know. Oh my god! Oh god. What is this? I do like chickens. Zebra chickens. Oh, there's some gum in it. Dead fly. How did they know? God. I'm shocked.